I don't know why I asked Matt for help, because I know he's not going to be much help.
Did it fall off again?
Yes.
Oh, you didn't move it?
No.
You left it in the middle?
Yes.
You moron. Matt! The brakes!
Stop it! Stop it. In a perfect world, a man and his Mopar.
It's a 69 Dart GT 340 4-speed car, so we've got to get it offloaded.
Oh, no.
He got his license in a Cracker Jack box.
Michael, there's a pile of rubber and a transmission here.
Try to take it neutral in your brain.
You're lunatic. You're so rammy.
Sometimes I can be a bit rammy. A good buddy of mine, he had to move his house, so I ended up buying some cars off him. One of them was this 69 Dart GT 340 4-speed car, so we've got to get it offloaded.
In a perfect world, just make sure I'm not going to wreck nothing.
Got to get the truck moved, the trailer unloaded, and then we got to go.
You should just be able to come underneath it. Yeah, and pick it up.
In a perfect world, a man and his Mopar.
Yes.
I don't know why I asked Matt for help, because I know he's not going to be much help.
Tell me what it looks like.
Looks like forks going underneath the Mopar.
Oh, what are we heading? Okay, I'm gonna pick it up.
The gas tank.
Okay, we don't want to do that.
We really don't want to impale the gas tank on the car, but I mean, basically that car's going to get a new gas tank anyway. That one's 50 years old, but you don't want to damage original parts if you can afford it.
Oh, okay, here. I'm gonna pick it up, put some under it.
Put something under what?
Put some under it so I can get under it more.
Okay.
Anything, a pallet, put some under one side.
Yeah, 1 second. A rim? A rim?
Anything, I just need a couple inches. What's that, one of those pallets over there?
Yes. Well,
No, a pallet over there.
yes.
Just hold it up high enough I can get under it.
Like that little spring below?
Yes. But you can't put it underneath the fork.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Higher. Okay, go.
Okay.
Yeah. The spring's bent up.
Okay, let's see what happens.
See what happens.
Back.
Yeah. It's working.
Okay, Matt, put it under the spring again.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes.
Hang on.
Why does that feel like that's gonna snap?
Oh, we lost the fork. Piece of shit. We have an issue.
What?
Well, the fork fell off.
I need new forks. Basically, that thing has picked up so much heavy stuff. There's a hole where the fork goes in. There's a slider where it slides along, and that slider piece has been bent and mangled so many times that it's just, it's worn out. I need new forks.
The fork is not attached. Pay attention, you might learn something. Okay, Matt! Okay, come and grab this fork. Okay, Matt! Come here, Matt!
I think Matt is a control freak. He wants to do things his way, even when you spell it out simply. Matt, I'll pick up the car, put the pallet underneath it so I can pick it up without any damage. Nope, he's got to come up with another plan.
Like this is all your idea. See, this thing's hooped. Okay, so what we gotta do, we gotta put it back on and we'll get this one over. Okay, right, because this thing's broken, so it just fell off. Got it? So grab that. Grab that. Okay, you're gonna line it up right in the middle here. Okay, okay, you got it? You back up and you can pull it right out. There. Okay, try that, man. Like training monkeys. Okay, kick it over about 6-7 inches.
Which one? The other side?
No, this one. Pull it back, but not so it's still where it's straight. Okay, I'm gonna pick it up, put that thing under it again now.
No, it needs to go over because it came out.
Oh, you didn't move it?
No.
You left it in the middle?
Yes.
You moron. Okay.
I don't know what his problem is. I think he's used to being the boss and doesn't like taking orders from anyone.
Okay, now what?
Go straight. Hold on.
Okay. But it's never coming.
You're not supposed to.
I got him now. Oh! Did that hurt right away, Matt? Oh, you look like a gopher there with your little teeth in your lip. Matt, you're in the fight. Let me back up.
How many fans right now are just hoping?
Just back up, Matt, before I kill you. Much to the cheers of my family. Okay, try it again. Pull it back. Okay.
Back to more.
Back?
Up.
Try that.
But you gotta find the fork on the inside.
Okay, can you grab that fork and pull it back? Okay, Matt, just stick your head under there, grab that fork.
Oh yeah, sounds like a great.
Grab the fork. Okay, it's not going anywhere. You have two arms. You can move
How am
one.
I supposed to believe that when twice now it's fallen over?
Just grab it. Up higher.
No,
Yeah,
no, Jesus.
How about that? Be quick. Ah! Matt, just pull it back and I'll get it. Okay, good. That's good.
Right.
Get out of there. Okay.
You're good.
Okay.
This should work.
Okay. Should be about centered, no?
Yes.
Okay, let's see if it'll pick it up.
Let's play this game one more time. Holy.
Okay, drive away. I'm just going to put it down in the dirt
If that
here.
doesn't look sketchy.
Right, we're not taking a chance. Not get the pallet. Get the pallet.
You didn't say that. You said drive away.
It should have been shut. But not. You got to go straight or you'll rip off your truck. Watch your mirror. $10 says he takes out his truck. Back up.
He said back up.
Tell him to crank the wheels and back up.
Why?
Crank your wheels and back up.
There's a shitter right there. With the stretch shots, with the tight shots.
There's a reason I don't let Matt run my equipment. Watch the film, you'll see what it is.
Am I gonna clear it?
You're like touching it. You're definitely touching. You're touching the truck, for sure. Oh no!
Hang up, follow it. The other way, yes. Yes, man. More. Come back more.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now drive
There's
towards,
a Michael.
drive towards the toilet.
Michael, there's a toilet in the way.
I don't think the toilet was really in the way. I just think Matt's a bad driver.
The toilet is in the way. Who knew these were so light? Without any. Oh, okay, that's done.
No, man. Back up. You gotta hit the toilet.
You're hitting the truck.
Now follow it. Okay.
One of my greatest joys in life is irritating Matt Shuchuk.
Michael! 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 There's a pile of rubber and a transmission here. And pipes.
Today.
I can't. It's the pile of rubber.
Man, hurry up.
He's aggravated. He's doing it on purpose.
What are you doing?
I'm going to move this truck.
What are you doing?
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
He's used to people doing whatever he says, and if I can poke the bear, it makes my whole day. Some days I'll just wake up early and phone him just to irritate him.
I would swear to God, he got his license in a Cracker Jack box. God is my witness. He had it. All I had to do was drive towards the toilet.
Mike, there's a pile of rubber and metal.
Ah,
Let me put this in
you
neutral.
did nothing. Oh, Jesus. cramping up.
Yes. Why are you not putting this down?
Hang on. Okay. Go away. I don't care if I get your truck. You should be able to make that.
Mike, there's a key in here. I can put in neutral. Mike, I can put this in neutral.
Put what in neutral?
Your green truck. And you can drive straight away out.
Just watch, Mom.
He should have been able just to get the truck and trailer out past it, but he was obviously having some difficulties. Like I said, I think he got his driver's license out of a Cracker Jack box.
Just watch, man.
Okay, let's go on this side.
Because I don't care if I smash you.
No, Michael. Let me just Mike, let me put in neutral.
I didn't think there's anything could go seriously wrong. We might dent something or bend a pipe or, well, I guess we could have crushed Avery's toilet, but he should come and get it. It's a shitty thing to leave it here.
Up. It's in neutral. It's in neutral. Mike, Mike. Up.
The only thing in neutral is your brain.
You're so rammy. You're so rammy.
Sometimes I can be a bit rammy.
I'm keeping this strap. I think it's mine anyways.
It's in neutral. It's in neutral.
I was gonna move it.
I never saw the transmission, but
Yes, it tumbled as it tumbled.
here. Okay, did you see how that was done?
Yes, like a lunatic.
Okay, there we go.
Classic lunatic sociopathy.
Okay, I'm just gonna park this here so we don't damage it.
Yeah. Why was I worried about this truck again?
I don't know, Matt. Hey, Matt, throw that pallet under one side of the springs, just so it keeps it off the ground. Okay. I'm just gonna move it ahead out of the way. Okay. I could go put it on top.
Yes.
Okay, you can film it.
Okay.
This car is like the $6 million man. We can rebuild it faster, stronger. Come on, when I get there, just put 2 tires under the spring.
Well, I had hopes at the start that he was going to be able to do a pretty simple thing, but as usual, he proved me wrong.
Oh, just.
Okay, you got a couple tires with rims.
What are you doing? Testing out the suspension?
Matt, 2 tires with rims under the spring.
Like right here?
Yeah, just right here. Did I come ahead anymore?
No, you got about 6 inches.
Okay, yeah, just put under the back spring.
Oh.
So I can get the forks out now.
Oh.
Oh my God, why hast thou deserted me? Okay, get another one on the other side. Good job. Get another one from over there.
This? No.
Anywhere with a rim, I don't care.
This little one? This little one?
Don't care. It's got a rim.
It's very small.
Okay.
I think so.
Matt, why is one side up so much higher?
Because what I said, it's a smaller rim here.
Is it that much smaller?
3 inches?
Really?
Yes.
Come on.
No. Yeah, it's fine.
Hang on.
It'll cut.
Oh no, you put that one underneath the fork.
Oh.
He's incompetent.
All right.
Yes, Matt. Yes, Matt. Okay.
I think so. Go ahead. Are they stuck?
Can't see that one. Am I going in it?
Yeah, you're in it.
Okay, maybe pick it up a little higher on that side, Matt.
Let me put it towards the front.
Okay, well, wherever.
Does it matter? Left it.
Okay.
Up.
Whoa.
Okay, right there. Try that. Yes, 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 yes. No, lift it up. Yeah, there you go. Yep.
They actually leave these here. I know where they are.
There you go.
Look at it.
Once we got everything straightened out, I mean, we got the thing unloaded. All in all, it was a good day. We had a lot of fun. We got accomplished what we had to. Remember, guys, if you like the videos, please subscribe, share, comment. I do answer some of the comments, not all of them. And remember, those that have should give. Peace, love, and joy.